Grains ending mostly higher on Monday. Mark Schultz with North Star Commodity is back with analysis. And Mark, corn and soybeans continue to be pretty well supported here by export business, right?
Yeah, the export business, Michelle, has been extremely good here over the last 3 weeks. And I expect this week on the sales are going to be good once again. And I wouldn't be surprised if we're respectable the following week as well. So the business keeps coming in almost on a daily basis. Another 10.6 million bushels of corn announced over the weekend on sales. And the beans, I think 4.8 million bushels again of business being done. So good to see, and amazingly to see it that strong where we are with the currency at the present time. But I think a lot of it may be on ideas of getting some business done before uncertainty of what the U.S. election is outside possibility for the reason for that movement.
Absolutely. But if you look at a chart, we're pretty range bound in both corn and soybeans. We just can't get above some of these resistance areas either, right?
You are correct. And what's really kind of a disappointment to it is when you have this much on the sales, that you're still not able to make a significant move up as far as the futures are concerned.
No doubt. So what do you think will it take to break us out of that? Do we have to have a surprise in the report on Friday or what?
Maybe a combination of things here. I would think the report probably for starters might help us out a little bit, but you're going to have, to me, a surprise would be a corn yield going down 1 to 2 bushel per acre. That would be a surprise. The beans, I think, are going to go lower by a bushel per acre nationally. Maybe it goes more, but I think maybe a bushel on this go round that you go down. But when you look at it and extrapolate it all the way on out, it gets difficult because you're still talking on beans of 550 or 550 50 million bushel carryout. So hard to get it. You might get a market to move up to say 1030, 1040, maybe back to 1070. But to go much more than that, see beans over 11 is going to be pretty difficult to do unless you get a weather problem in South America.
All right, thanks for joining us, Mark Schultz, North Star Commodity. More AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.